There guys, what's up? It's me, Shady 247. Ignore my mom in the background. Anyway, hey, what's up? And wait, what's that? That's the stool. Anyway, it's not very interesting. We got my uncle's.
Yeah, she's not as high.
My uncle, he's right over there. He's right there. This is his remote control helicopter.
She's more likely to kind of find her own.
If you go back and check my my helicopter video, it's made by Protocol, the same company that this helicopter's made as. But this one is more has different features and stuff. Mine was a really cheap one.
She would always.
So anyway, we're gonna put it on there and give it a roll.
Take off from there too. See, that's the problem. That's why I needed to cover that hole.
No. Yeah, we put it that way.
Well, I know, but when I gotta land the right way too.
Anyway, want me to turn it on? Anyway, I got it.
It's on the side.
Switch. Oh, there it is. The remote control helicopter here. Better back up, Ruben. Oh no, Ruben. Oh yeah. Oh, it's blowing air on me.
Are you doing any Zoom or any?
Yeah, I'm doing some Zoom. It's kind of blurry. It isn't focusing.
No.
Okay, there we go.
You think you're on-mounted?
I'm doing getting a pretty good video of this. So go forward. We should go into the higher place over there.
How much starts?
We into the taller place over there. I want to try flying it a little bit after we're done. I'll try on the light.
You can get up on the steps when I'm landing.
Focus already. Oh wow. Wait, no, don't land on my desk. Try landing it. The camera's almost dead, so.
Your camera's okay?
Yeah, it's like 1 bar of battery. Did I try flying it?
Yeah, no, it's on the first and then.
Oh, my camera's out of batteries. Try to get as much video as I can into it.
Ah!